You little shit.
Hey guys, what's up? Sarah Jane. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. So, I apologize. We actually haven't been filming in a while. Tomorrow, we're moving the cats and we're moving the rest of the stuff. But as you can see, we're actually pretty much, we're throwing these chairs away. Things are starting to look empty. We're moving this and that and a chair from the bedroom. We're throwing that away.
One, it's old, and two, it's actually breaking to the point where I even can't fix it. This is honestly just a temporary fix as of right now.
Yup. But basically, we're pretty much empty here. We just have to start deep cleaning. We've cleaned a few things as we went. They moved some of the big stuff Thursday morning. My sister's coming to move her bed. And things are happening. I have most of the food out in the car. So we actually gotta get going. We're gonna pack up the rest of the stuff and be on our way. So, we'll see you guys there when we pack up the stuff and take it to his mom's. All right, unpacking the cats. Welcome home, boys. Yang's been out for a little bit. Hey, come this way. There's more stuff. Dax. See? You survived the car ride. It wasn't the end of the world. So we got some stuff that we need to unpack here. Actually, we got a lot of stuff. That's like Tony's closet stuff. It's Tony's closet stuff over there. That is some extra things that we took. And then this is the boys' food bowls and stuff, which I'm sure they'll really want them. You want to call Yang over to show him?
Yang.
Yang! Come on.
Right. Is that I show you? Now we just go in.
Or at least just see what's in there. Just see what's in there. There you go. You don't have to force him in there. He knows now. Alright, I guess we should probably set up their food then. It's been a few minutes and they're just exploring. Hi, bud. He's still looking around, super curious. Yang did look in the litter, so. Hopefully we find out before we leave whether they'll use it or not. Hey! Hey! Down!
That's why that chair will not be there when we leave.
Well, we gotta have something there. Because that's what's blocking them from getting at the food.
They're still gonna get at the food one way or another. Mama unless we buy like an actual plastic something to cover it and open it. And there, that's the only way to actually prevent it. But even then,
It can't be plastic because he'll eat it.
yeah.
Dax, buddy, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Hi, Yang. See what he thinks of the couch. See, there's enough room for both of you up here, huh? See how long it takes them to notice there's a shelf behind you.
With chocolate
Yeah, I'll be moving that.
into the fridge.
Or I'll be moving it up there. Or behind. So it's for sure they're not gonna get at it. See, I told you you'd get more room. Good boy. Yep, nope, still super curious. Maybe tomorrow when everything's said and done, tomorrow night they might be willing to sit and chill out. We're gonna, so their litter box is in that corner. I don't know if they're gonna like the hood. We're gonna see if they actually will use it with the hood on. What is he doing?
I think he's trying to figure out how to get in.
There you go. Push. Push. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Success. Don't do it, Dax. Occupado. Don't do it. Was it nice? Did you go? Oh yeah, he went. Oh, the birds are now chirping. Oh no. Dax's face. What's that, boys? He's going high because he knows birds are high. He's a smart cat. Hey! They're both going high trying to find him. Cat and owner at its finest. I guess let's set up their food and stuff. Show him how to. Oh, he found it. He found the shelf. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.